Coach, briefly, what is your reaction?
I'm just disappointed with the referees. This is one country. There's no one team for Rwanda. This is the one country. Let's be fair. Okay, to me, this game is 2-1. We scored 2 goals, beautiful ones. Okay, but the referee denied, and you see the way he was offsetting. You just give them unnecessary fouls, unnecessary fouls. Come on, let's be fair. This is football. If you want to improve in football, let also referees improve. This is one country. This is Rwanda. It's only one country. There's no APR. APR is not a national team. It's a team like another team. Let's be fair. Come on.
Coach, give us your reaction after the game.
One team, first half time, no play football. Come in the field and stay. No running, no fighting, nothing. And second half, change too many things and start to play something. And we score only 1 goal. And I don't know why second goal after corner, second goal take offside. I don't know. I want to see in TV. But Amable scored 1 and second goal, and we are very difficult to have to who score goal. This is big problem.
Thank you.
Okay, ciao.